It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 15th of June. I'm Michael Groff. A dangerous heat wave coming for the southwest later this weekend and through much of next week, with temperatures in striking distance of their all-time record high values. No precipitation in the forecast anytime soon either. So let's talk about it as we look outside here this morning at 10 o'clock. Sunny skies here in the valley, 93 degrees right now at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 20, humidity 7%. The winds are light, the barometer is falling. Temperatures out there this morning, a couple of those 70-degree readings on the board are probably a few hours old. Otherwise, upper 80s, low 90s already. Satellite shows clear skies across the southwest. The watch warning map has most of the action out here in the west in the form of excessive heat warnings through much of the southwest, from Tucson to Phoenix, Yuma, Blythe, Imperial, all the way up to Las Vegas. Excessive heat watches further to the north and west across the central and northern valleys of California. Flood watches parts of Montana, and on the convective outlook, an enhanced risk of severe storms today around Enid, Oklahoma, up to Wichita, Kansas. The standard slight risk from Lubbock, north and east to Kansas City, and a marginal risk for much of the central and eastern parts of the country. Let's talk about our weather in more detail and look at the models, see what's going on. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Here comes that heat bubble. Strong ridge just to the southwest of El Paso, building northward. And what that means for us today, sunny skies, a very dry air mass, dew points down in the teens, relative humidity values in the mid-single digits later this afternoon. Highs getting up into the 103 to 106 range. Tonight, clear, lows in the upper 60s to upper 70s. And then tomorrow, sunny, even warmer. Highs 105 to 108. Saturday looks like we'll be around 107 to 110 with sunny skies and dry air continuing. Sunday, sunny, highs 110 to 113. And Monday, the real heat starts setting in. We'll have highs 113 to 116 with sunny skies, very dry air. These are 850 millibar temperatures. Temperatures at about the 5,000 foot level off the ground. And we look at these values because, historically speaking, the 10 hottest days in Phoenix all have some commonalities, one of which is that these temperatures, these 850 millibar temperatures, are at least 32 Celsius. And you see here, we're pushing 34, 35 Celsius here in southern Arizona. Those translate to temperatures in the low and middle 90s in Fahrenheit, up at 5,000 feet. So that just tells you how warm the air is, even way up off the ground. So highs on Monday, again, 113 to 116. The record for Monday is 118. I think we'll be close, but we probably won't break it. Tuesday, we're pushing for 116 to 120. The National Weather Service in Phoenix still going with a high of 120. The GFS has us at 119. And looking at some of the parameters behind this, again, 850 millibar temperatures, 35, 36 Celsius, very warm air. Even approaching 19, 20 degrees Celsius up at 700 millibars. That's about 10,000 feet up. So it's very warm is what we're trying to get at. The atmospheric profile indicates that temperatures will push historic levels. If you look at the last time we hit 119 degrees in Phoenix, which was in June of 2013, the 750 millibar temperatures then were 16 degrees Celsius. So we're going to be warmer even in the mid-levels of the atmosphere than that event. So it is very likely that we'll see highs getting close to 120 degrees. The GFS here, the raw numbers at the surface, has a high of 119. And you see 117, 118 throughout the rest of the valley, pushing toward 120 here in the southwest deserts. All right, on Wednesday, we could still be in that kind of category, 116 to 120. The National Weather Service has us at 121. The GFS at 118. The European pushing us toward 120. Either way, again, record heat. Tuesday and Wednesday, we are almost guaranteed to break the records of those days, which are 116. Then this is a week from today, Thursday. The 22nd of June, a 594 heat bubble continues to sit right over the southwest. So the excessive heat won't be going away. Upper heights may be nudged down ever so slightly. But even at that, we're still looking at high temperatures around 114 to 117. Same for Friday the 23rd. And then this is the end of the forecast period, Saturday the 24th. and no real indication of any changes coming to our weather. Could we see a few isolated thunderstorms across northern Mexico and trying to sneak into around the southern border sometime this upcoming week? We've seen a couple of runs of the GFS and European that have hinted at that, but even so, the atmospheric profile still looks way, way too dry for anything to get up our way. And it looks like this heat is just going to continue through all of next week. And here, if this verifies, we'd still have highs around 113 to 116. Bottom line is, I think we're in for an extended period of time, perhaps even a record-setting period of temperatures of 115 plus. Looking at temperatures through the period off the GFS ensemble, it has us at 121 on Tuesday and 120 on Wednesday. It could conceivably get that hot. I've been saying for a while, I don't know if temperatures are going to push 120, but now it is looking more likely that we will be very close to those values. And then look for the rest of the month. I mean, we stay above 113 all the way out to the end of June. So well above normal and well into the record territory. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe to our videos. That way, every time we post a brand new video, you'll get the notifications. Stay cool out there and have a great Thursday.